Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you Google Maps timeline. So you open the Google first, Google Map, and then you're pressing the profile, and then you're going to see here your timeline. Sorry, going back again, timeline, your timeline, and then here it will loading, and then you can choose the which date. Like example, I'm gonna choose September 21. So September 31 is showing where I went, where I came back, what I went, which restaurant, which hospital, everything here. You can see down here. I thought you can choose this after that date. You can see it here on that day. And we showing here how many kilometers, how many minutes, how many places I went. Another one. You can see here 11 places on 23rd of September. I went to those places everywhere, and you're gonna not miss anything unless you turn off that one. That's all for today. See you for next video. Subscribe and like and comment.